Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today there's some huge crypto news from Goldman Sachs and BlackRock I want to share with you. As always, smash up the like and let's get started. First, let's start off by how crypto's been doing for the last 24 hours, 7 days, and we'll go from there. So here on CoinMarketCap, we see Bitcoin almost at 44, doing pretty well. It's gone up 7% in the last 7 days, 2% in the last 24 hours. ETH up 2%, up 10% in the last 7 days. And altcoins are coming back. Cardano, 33% in the last 7 days. Solana, 16%. XRP, 5%. Some of the big altcoins, not Ethereum. Polygon. Even Litecoin. Wow, Litecoin is up 15%. That's incredible. But, guys, there's some pretty big news today. And it's this. Goldman Sachs features cryptocurrencies, metaverse digitalization on its homepage. So you can see here, I went to Goldman Sachs. GoldmanSachs.com has the digitalization right here. This is GoldmanSachs.com. This is what's on their homepage. So you go to Goldman Sachs, from cryptocurrencies to the metaverse, explore the megatrends. This is the first thing, the absolute first thing listed on their website. Now this is pretty incredible. So I was actually pretty curious, so I went to explore the topic. And you can see here they have digitalization, carbon. So they talk about the metaverse and Web 3.0, Europe's digital economy, but blockchain and decentralized webs, talking about digital assets, how, they're all different. It's not just, random, I guess, as some people like to think it is. Is crypto a new asset class? Markets update. What's next for the central bank? And I clicked into one of them. So here is beauty is not in the eye of the beholder. So very interesting. So understanding the digital asset ecosystem. So basically it's just going through that. It's going through the Bitcoin blockchain. It's going through the role of private blockchains. Even has use cases on here. Like that is incredible. This is how far we have come, ladies and gentlemen. We have use cases. Goldman Sachs is putting out reports on use cases. And now we're talking about, having digital assets in clients' portfolios. And it's a whole report, and this is all over the website now. And it just seems like, the other day I talked about how Goldman Sachs had their first ever over-the-counter crypto trade. They sold Bitcoin to Galaxy Digital. Well, now they come out with their website. And I think I even heard a rumor somewhere that they are looking to continue over-the-counter crypto trades. So the one to Galaxy Digital won't be a one-off. So this is a big deal. Goldman Sachs, obviously one of the biggest United States banks, going all in with crypto, it seems like. And other banks will follow. Banks don't want to get left behind. This is new technology. This is good technology. Banks don't want to get left behind. So let's be real. This is massive news. On top of that, there's some other big news. So BlackRock is the biggest asset manager in the world. I think they manage over $10 trillion worth of assets. 10 trillion. So that is a lot of money. 10 trillion. And it is the largest asset manager in the world. He's even sent, the BlackRock CEO is saying the war in Ukraine could force nations, potentially paving the way for digital assets. And he's touting cryptocurrency as a viable tool. And on top of that, BlackRock is now looking to offer crypto services as client demand rises. And this is in stark contrast to last year. I think, as we can see, Fink cited all the clients around the digital currencies are all asking about this. His comments seemingly confirm a CoinDesk report last month that the 10 trillion asset manager is planning to offer crypto trading services. Global digital payment can help bring down the costs of cross-border payment. That's another big thing. So a good use case of crypto is that digital currencies can actually, and that's why a lot of these South American nations, or not South American, or the down in the American, like El Salvador and like places like that, are looking into legalizing it. Honduras, because a lot of people there don't have bank accounts, and actually just having crypto is kind of like a bank account and actually might be cheaper in the long run. So that's a huge use case, and that's why the El Salvador president was so bullish on Bitcoin and why he wanted to make it legal tender. But so again, back to BlackRock. This is in sharp odds with his previous assessment of client interest in crypto. In July of last year, Fink said that he is not seeing much demand, and now we're in March, so that's about 8 months later, and they are seeing huge demand for crypto. So we have that going. Let's see. On top of BlackRock, just thought this was very interesting. ExxonMobil is running a pilot project to supply flared gas for a Bitcoin mining. So flared gas is basically unusable gas, and they're looking to run a project that would take wasted gas from North Dakota and power Bitcoin mining operations, which is, I think that'd be a good use. If they're not using it for anything or whatever they're using it for, wherever it goes, they can just use it to power Bitcoin. And, this is just shows that institutions are adopting. We have today just the news of Goldman, BlackRock. You have ExxonMobil. These are massive companies, and they're all getting in the game. This is huge for the cryptosphere. One more thing I wanted to show you guys. Grayscale Investments created a smart contract fund for Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, Cardano. And it's a base. So, you guys probably are pretty familiar with these altcoins if you're into crypto. I own some Solana, Polygon, Cardano, and they're basically alternatives to Ethereum. So these guys have their own blockchains, and they also can create NFTs and stuff, and run projects for metaverses and things like that. And actually, Solana has huge NFTs. Obviously, nothing competes with Ethereum, but they are up and coming, and that's also why they're cheaper. Eventually, some of these big boys like Solana, Polygon, Cardano might be able to compete with Ethereum, and I just thought that was pretty cool that we're having another ETF. Grayscale is launching an altcoin fund focused on several major blockchains. So, very bullish news coming out today, and as you can see, the prices are reflecting that. Can we reach our all-time peak of 69,000 soon? Possible with this bullish news. It just seems that more institutions keep adopting, and as I showed you guys in the last video, these are the largest institutions that own Bitcoin. And this is just people that have reported. There are plenty of others. I think KPMG is one. Plenty of others who own Bitcoin, who own Ethereum. And institutional adoption just keeps on growing, and there is no better time right now when you have a huge dip in the market. Institutions are getting in, and in my honest opinion, I think this is the time to be in crypto. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so you might want to talk to one first, but that is just my humble opinion. To be honest, guys, that's about all I have today. If you like the video, smash up the like and please subscribe. It's great talking to you. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.